your one, your only Lady of Lenses, Lady Simone, and we are back. Yes, we are going to talk a little bit today about pear eyewear. I've been having a lot of questions about the silicone mold that I use to make toppers because I mentioned it in my pear video. So we're going to get going. We're going to talk about that. One of my frames that I spoke about in that video, I have two, but we're going to talk a little directly about the Wandas today because these are the ones that if I was to wear a pear eyewear on a regular, it would be the Wandas. So what I did was I have a silicone mold. Now I'm going to show you because I got this from it was from this company called Island Toppers. Now I am not sure how to get in contact with them because it was a while ago and I thought it was through Etsy, so I apologize for everyone that I told through Etsy, but it was really through a Facebook group. I'm not sure which group, so I apologize again, but I'll show you. The name is Island Toppers. Now, however you can find that, I suggest just kind of doing search, trying to find it, but they gave me this really cool mold for the Wanda frame. So it's a silicone mold, as you can see, and what I did, I used UV resin. So I used UV resins, put it under the light, and made some quick molds. I'm going to show you the molds that I made. I don't feel like I was very successful at them, but we're going to talk about this thing. We're going to look into them, okay? So, but before, these right here, one of my favorite frames I got from Vogue Me. I have a lot of Vogue Me unboxings. Check those out, yes, on my channel. So let's throw these Wandas on here. Okay, so these are the Wandas. Like I said before, if you go back in the pear eyewear video, they're not my favorite frames, but if I had to wear a pair of pear frames, it would be the Wandas because of the cat eye, and then they're kind of bigger than the ones I had before, so they fit my face a little better, but I don't like the smaller frames on me per se. So let's look at some toppers. I'm looking down trying to get it for you guys. These are some toppers that I made, you know, and like I said, I just did a simple UV resin, put it in. Some of the magnets on the end that I use are not even straight, so you're going to see that when I try to snap them on. So this is like a turquoise and an orange one that I made. It has some glitter in there. I'm nowhere near professional. You know, I just was playing around with this one, but I kind of like how this looks. So that's the first one. And then I actually got a little, see, as you can see, some of the magnets don't attach as well. I was just learning a lot, so I wouldn't be able to wear these ones out, but it has like this little yellow highlighter type look on the side. And a unique thing that I did was I had some gel nail polishes. So since I was using the UV light and I was using the silicone mold, I said I painted the inside of the mold with the nail polish, poured the UV resin on, and then I made some toppers like that too. So that's number two. Number three, I kind of went with like a gold look. I think this is the one. I know one does not snap real well, but we're going to see. And it's this one. But I really had liked this one. So this was the one that did not snap well, but I really had liked, because I had like some gold foils and stuff, but I did not put the UV resin, didn't go good on this end. So this one, as you can see, it would not even snap real good. But these were one of my favorites because I had like a little moon in there. I don't know if you can see that in the center. So I thought this one was pretty cool. And then the last one that I tried out was these blue ones. And as you can see, again, I messed up a little bit with the magnets here. And what happened was the magnet is turned not the right way on this end. So it was a lot of trial and error. I may go back and create some more toppers just to see, you know, what I can come up with. I love the whole thing of being creative and just seeing what I can come up with. So that's the reason why I got the silicone mold. I'm not looking forward to selling any molds or anything like that. It was just a fun creative process for myself to see what I can come up with. Again, I got a lot of questions and I was like, I have to pop in and make this video because I wanted you guys to see, you know, the mold for one, and I got it from the Island Toppers. So they do have here coming soon. It says islandtoppers.com. I'm not sure if that is a live website. I'm just going to show you that right there. You know, I'm going to put that up. I'm nowhere sponsored by them. I would say that when I did do order, she was amazing. I mean, amazing. And I ordered through a Facebook page, and that was the first time I ever ordered through someone through Facebook and not do like a website like Etsy or anything like that. And she was phenomenal. So I loved her customer service. So if you want to reach out and see if that works for you, look it up. I'm not sure if she's still doing it. I'm not, like I said, it's been a while when I ordered. So I wanted to just throw that out there. I hope that helps everyone. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, beautiful, amazing day. You are here for a reason, seeing this beautiful, beautiful video. There will be more to come. I have a couple more unboxing and things that I want to talk to you guys about some frames that I ordered from a new company. So be on the lookout for that video. Until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. I am your one, your only Lady of Lenses.